All right, just checked in on him. He is almost halfway. All right, I know it looks like a pop-up redneck yard sale. It's a feather. Sure fooled me for a minute, though. All right, well, today's mission is to salvage this recliner. I mean, typically we don't save furniture, but just for now, until we get all our stuff here, it's nice to be able to sit on something, but I'm confident it's also full of cat hair. So I just sprayed it down with some pre-treatment. I have my carpet cleaner that has an attachment for upholstery. And then there was also this bench, this little storage bench. I found this vacuum cleaner, which nice little bonus. But it's also covered in cat hair, so I'll get that cleaned up and get that ready for us to at least be able to use while we're sitting here. And then this was think of the word here, Sharon. Oh yeah, that's a pull-out bed. I think it's probably just a queen, maybe a full. Yeah, I don't even think it's a queen. But anyway, I'm gonna do the same thing, get it vacuumed, get it cleaned up, and we'll keep that. So that's a little extra bonus there too for some sleeping and even just sitting for now. So it's gonna be another hot one. Looking forward to staying in the house here and work. So as you know, we have found a mouse or two, or maybe a couple more than that. And so when I flipped this chair up, I was thinking, all right, maybe there's a mouse nest in there. And I wasn't sure, if anything underneath. And so I peeked down, and the first thing I see is that. And I didn't have my glasses on. I thought, oh my gosh, it's a tail. It's some kind of coon. Maybe there's coons in here. Well, it's a feather. Sure fooled me for a minute, though. Yeah, well, that chair definitely got some use over its years. I have a feeling I'm going to be going over it a couple more times. I am going to put a cover on it, but that's a little bit dirtier than what I would even want to cover on yet for, so I guess I'll go back at it. All right, well, at least there's no mice in it. Time for cleaning. All right, so I know it looks like a redneck garage sale, but I'm using Mother Nature's idea of a fun summer with the 90s and sun to help do some drying. And yeah, I know sun fades stuff, and like I said earlier, everything is going to have covers on it. So I really just need things to dry. And in fact, that already feels dry. It's only been out here half hour. Okay, lazy boy, dry. All right, just checked in on him. He is almost halfway. He's finding more culverts than what we even knew we had. So he's having to do some fancy work around there. He's close to the grass now, so he said it should be a little bit easier working on that versus these rocky ditches here. So I told him I would just check in with him again this afternoon since he's working solo. Wow, what a hard-working guy. All right, I know it looks like a pop-up redneck yard sale, but look at that. I took the carpet cleaner with the upholstery brush and I went at it. I got the sofa sleeper, all of the chairs, mattress, got the lazy boy recliner, cushions, and blankets, and that bench. So stay tuned. It's a big weekend. Got lots done. So this is in the living room kitchen with the oak floors, and I think you can tell the difference. They had a rug that was on this floor here, so you can tell the different colors. The one on the left is that yellowing, that orange that it turns, you know, after it ages. What I would like to do, and it's not going to be anytime soon, probably a few years down the road, I do want to get all of these wood floors refinished and get back to a lighter natural color. I know eventually it's going to turn orangish yellow, but it would at least buy me a few years. But that is like, I can't even think of when that would be. So it's a lot of wood floors. It'd be the whole upstairs, the hall, one of the bedrooms, the laundry room, closets, and one of the bathrooms. 2 bathrooms, actually. So that's gonna be a while. I think they had another rug over here. That one you really can't tell a whole lot. Must not have been on too long, but definitely a little mark there. So that's my goal someday, is to get these refinished. I mean, you can see there's a lot of gouges. You know, it's hard to see, but lots of gouges, lots of worn off finish. I think it'll be okay for a couple of years. I'll probably just put some kind of, I don't know, hard floor cleaner, polisher stuff on it, just to hold it over. that's my plan. All right, it's 3:30. I'm gonna go see how our internet guy is doing. Of course, it's in the 90s. Poor guy, working by himself. I want to make sure he's okay. Well, this is where I left him earlier. So let's see what he got done here. Man, that hill is pretty back there. I gotta admit, when we first looked at the house, and when I was even looking at it online, and I saw it had 2 doors that open in the front, I'm like, that's kind of weird. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. Okay, you got me sold. I like them. It's gonna be really come in handy for moving day. So I brought my furniture back in from outside. Yeah, I just got a sheet on it right now. I'll get a cover for it, but for now the sheet will do. And then there's the sleeper sofa, or sofa sleeper. And again, that's just got a sheet, something to keep it protected. look at that. We got neighbors. Hey, guys. Oh, this is going to be dangerous because I always have to stop for cattle. Hey, boys. Enjoying the morning? Get out there and eat now. Find some shade in a little bit.